How about we fill in the blank? Mastering offers in English. Hello, language learners. Today's lesson is all about making offers using how about in English. This is a handy phrase that we use all the time in conversational English. So, let's dive in and get practicing with some fill-in-the-blank exercises. Before we start with the exercises, let's first understand how we use how about. It's a phrase used when suggesting something to someone else, such as a plan, idea, or action. It's a more informal and friendly way to make an offer or suggestion. Here are a few examples. How about we go to the cinema tonight? How about having pizza for lunch? In these sentences, how about is followed by a verb in its base form or a gerund, a verb ending in ing. Now, let's move on to our fill-in-the-blank exercises. Remember, the objective is to complete the sentence with an appropriate suggestion using how about. Let's get started. 1. You look tired. Blank, we take a break? 2. I'm not in the mood for Chinese food tonight. Blank, we try Italian instead? 3. It's such a lovely day. Blank, going for a walk in the park? Can you fill in the blanks using how about? Take a moment to think about your answers. Okay, now let's check the answers. 1. You look tired. How about we take a break? 2. I'm not in the mood for Chinese food tonight. How about we try Italian instead? 3. It's such a lovely day. How about going for a walk in the park? Did you get them right? Don't worry if you didn't, the key to mastering English is through practice. That's it for today, language learners. Remember, making offers with how about is a wonderful way to sound more natural and friendly in English. I hope these fill-in-the-blank exercises have been helpful. Practice them often to perfect your English conversation skills. Keep up the hard work, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!